welcome you to a new review. And this time it's not actually an AppSumo product. It is one called Magnet Kit, and it's on DealMirror at the moment. And I thought I'd do a review of it because it's quite an interesting piece of software. And I've been talking to the founder, and I like this. I want to show you the things that I like about it and the things that I don't like. So let me just share my screen here. I just want to make sure I get the magnet kit here. Here it is. Okay. So it's coming up now. It's a standard system that creates well, lead magnets. Okay. So you might say, what is the difference between this and any other system that you may be using? And I think what is different with this is that you can actually create really good lead magnets here. So let me just go in here and let me show you how I can do it. I can create, well, no, let me show you what the leads look like. Okay, so this one here that I created was navigating high stakes conversations with unshakable confidence in seconds. And it's quite interesting how I did this. Um, put in your email, you get the information. It's created all of this here. Okay, all of this. It's created all of this. Um, there's one thing I don't like. And the first one is this 10,000 users. I don't like that comes up because it's not true. I haven't got 10,000 users doing that. Um, but what I do like is the actual quality of the lead magnet. If I open it up here, it actually creates all of this for you. Now, there's a couple of spacing issues here, which could be improved, but it's actually really nice. Okay, all of this really, really nice. The only thing is there's a little bit of branding, okay, from themselves, which is fine. But how do we actually create a lead magnet? Well, I go into create new, okay, and I can paste any URL here. Okay, so here what I would do is I would paste in the URL, or what I actually did was, and what I am going to do is, um, well, I'm going to do something here that is different, okay? I'm just going to put in something random, and this is about different tenses in English for recruiters. Okay, and I'm going to get this to create a playbook for me. Okay, generate my lead magnet. It now goes off and it takes that content. So you can take content from anywhere. You can take your LinkedIn content, you can take your content from a YouTube video, and it will actually create this for you. And what it outputs is pretty good. Okay, so this is going to take just a while to come up. So let me just go back here and just show you a couple of other things. So I have the LTD one here, customize a brand. I can go in here and I can customize my brand. I put in a photo. I don't know why it didn't actually come up. I can have integrations here if I want. Okay, and here I can add those integrations here. Now, if I go into my leads, I see all of the leads that have signed up here. I can click here. It tells me 5 views. I had nobody actually signed up because I haven't actually put this out yet. So it takes a little bit of time to write this lead. As I said, there's a couple of things that aren't here, and I can understand that sometimes these won't be here. But things like being able to have a custom domain, things like being able to take off Magnet Kit's branding. It's coming and it's going through and it's trying to find everything that it needs to find in order to do that. And the the major thing here is that it's very, I mean, all the pages look the same. I have no problems with that. The developers tried to keep this simple, which I understand, but this is where one of the little failings are, okay? That I can't actually edit the page, because what I would like to be able to do is I would like to be able to edit the text here of these testimonials. Even if I could just drop an embed in there, I would like to do that. Um, I'd like to be able to edit some of the information here. So let me just show you how it looks. Richard.com, and I go in here and it processes it, and I can just download the PDF there. Okay, and when I download that PDF, obviously it downloads a PDF. So maybe a few things like being able to, I like the way that I can share it, being able to actually edit, being able to make sure that uh, you can have more of a white label element, etc. I think that would be very good. Okay, so here to lead magnets, I should see that lead, and let me see there. Okay, so live activity, I subscribe there. Okay, you can see one lead there. Okay, and I can go in and I can manage that and take it out. Okay, so this is taking a little bit of a while to actually create, which is fine, but it's a very simple platform. It's on DealMirror. There's a link below this video to it, and I think it creates the magnets really well. So you could take that content and maybe you can put it into your own website. You can put it into your own, if you have like go high level, whatever it may be, and it works. Now, this one is taking a little bit of time. So we'll have I'll actually post the link to the lead magnet below and you can actually see it. Any questions on this? Is it something that you say, yeah, I wouldn't mind to buy that. It looks really good. Let me know, and I will just let me see if that's done yet. And I will definitely do a follow-up video to show you exactly any new bits and pieces in it. All right. Thanks very much. Talk to you very soon.